So we're going for a walk the day after the big storm. Up there is Angie with Lucy on her back. And Aileen. There's Angie saying hi. Hi Aileen! I'm filming. Okay. So we're heading for Lincoln Park.
We're trying to get our car when we go past it.
Is this you guys? I purposely parked.
As you can see, we have lots of walking paths. People have been really good about digging out at least walking paths and paths to the street. And then there were lots of energetic souls who dug their cars out only to have the plow them back in this morning. So they'll come out and probably regret having done all that work. And here's someone who has done it again this morning. Ooh, good job. I'm gonna step out here so that I can show you our car, which is not dug out. It's in its original, beautiful state. There's our car, much taller than it used to be. Happily sitting there in the sun. I lucked out and got the last parking spot on the block right before the snow hit. Here we are out in the street. There's Lincoln Park in all its glory. There's Aileen taking a picture of Angie and Lucy.
Yeah.
Here we are looking north on our street. North on 12th. It's a beautiful sunny day today, so we're getting good shots. The trees have a lot of snow. We have a lot of broken trees, not surprisingly, under the weight of the snow.
I'm sending Pagan Ann a picture.
Maybe we'll put this video up on YouTube. They can look at it too. So say hi.
Hello.
I know my parents will want to see it, and Angie's. They're always curious about how Washingtonians deal with the snow. So far what it means is everybody comes out and plays like kids.
Putting something.
Oh yeah. Here's must be a transplanted Chicago in here. I'll zoom in on it. Someone dug out their spot and then put a ladder with a sign on it to keep their spot, much like Chicagoans do with chairs any time of year. We'll see how long it lasts.